Are you looking for ways to make money on Fiverr with Canva designs, even if you are just a beginner? So you made a right choice to click on this video because I'm going to be explaining in details on how you can make money on Fiverr. Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is Carine Tech Media, and on this channel I always help people to learn how to make money online, grow their YouTube channels, and also improve their video quality as well. So I'm also on other social medias like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, so you can go there and like my videos, follow me, and also enjoy my videos as well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 4 ways to make money on Fiverr with Canva design. No matter where you are worldwide, or even if you're a beginner, you can start earning money on Fiverr with Canva designs. So we all know as Canva as a free tool, everyone can use it to make his or her designs. But today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make those designs produce money for you. I'm going also to be helping beginners who don't know how to use Canva by showing them, and also there's a link in the description of this video, a full guide to guide them how to use Canva. So on making money on Fiverr, it's very easy because you get more clients there who can hire you for that type of work and you start making money. So Canva has been friendly to me because I'm a graphic designer and I find it difficult to make good design within a short time, but Canva helps you with templates and make good designs and also publish them as well. So I make my thumbnails, everything and every designs that I want with Canva. So you don't have to pay for it, it's for free, and let's dive into the video. And the first way to make money on Fiverr with Canva designs is to create social media template designs. So many people worldwide are looking for what to post on their social media platforms. So you can make like Instagram posts, Facebook posts, Facebook stories, reels, and many others. So Canva helps you to do all that within a short time. So many people are on that Fiverr looking for people to design for them those social media templates. So using Fiverr, you can first go and sign up for it and then start using it, and then you become a member, you start making money there. As well as Canva, you go and sign up, it's a free tool, it's for free, you go and start making your designs and also sell them to Fiverr. So I'm going to be showing you how much money people are making on Fiverr, how they get paid, and also show you in Canva how you can find those designs to sell. So let's dive in Canva. So going to Canva, you go in the search bar, type in social media template designs and hit enter, where they are going to bring us many of template designs. So there are over 79,894 free templates there. So there are many. You can categorize them as you want. For example, let us choose like Facebook posts because they are mixed. You see Facebook posts, there are over 8,950 free templates that you can use. They are in their right sizes, right pixels for Facebook posts, so you can just make some changes on them and then you post them, you sell them to Fiverr. Let's check for Instagram posts also. There are over 33,421 free templates. You can see they are very easy and they are very nice. You can download them as they are, or you make some changes that you want and then you download them. So here are also other template designs that you can make for yourself for the Instagram or Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, any. There are over 7,927 free templates that you can use. So going to the fiverr.com, you can see there are many people doing these types of designs, these Instagram posts, all these types of designs. They are making them over, they are gaining over $300, $10. Also, that one is $10 and that one is designing creative social media template designs. So you can go also and you post your own designs from Canva. You get them from Canva, add your own designs or add your own editings and then you post them there. So let's check like Instagram posts. You can see that one is charging over $25, $55, $10, and they are very creative. So you can also make that in Canva. It's very easy. As I've shown you, you can get them for free. And you can also see that one is gaining over $30, $50. So it's very easy. If you can offer this type of services, there are many people who are looking for people to hire for this type of job. So even if you make all these templates, you can still get income. So that one is also charging for 4 social media templates for $5. You can see that on Fiverr, many people are looking for those types of templates, those types of designs. You can go and offer them with those designs and start making money, because you can also get those templates that are asking you to get them for. You can get them from Canva, add some changes on them as how you want them to be, and then offer them to those people who are looking for people to hire for those templates. So we are going to the second way to make money on Fiverr, which is to create YouTube branding kits. So by making YouTube branding kits, many people who use YouTube are there looking for people to make for them those branding kits like YouTube thumbnails, YouTube intros and outros, YouTube banners, and many things or many templates like those ones. So I'm going to be showing you in Canva also how you can get those templates. Either you download them as they are or you make some changes on them. So let's dive with Canva and later go to Fiverr and show you how much money those people are making and start also making it. So on Canva, there are many branding kits like YouTube banners, YouTube thumbnails, and many. So you are going to go and search for YouTube branding kit, and then maybe you categorize to thumbnails. There are over 170 free templates there, and they are very nice looking. You can check them out. Even the banners, you can go and choose some and then make some editings on them, and then you post them to Fiverr and start making money also. So as you're seeing, they are very nice looking and easy. There are over 100 free templates that you can use. You either download them or keep them as they are. So one example that we can take on Fiverr is YouTube intros and outros. So many people are looking for people to make them intros and outros for their YouTube channels. You can go and post your YouTube intros and outros designs and you get some people to buy them. So as you can see, that one is making over $100, $45, $60 and more. So you can make either thumbnails, banners there. You can get some people to hire you for those types of templates. So a lot of people on YouTube want to get high quality of those templates, maybe thumbnails. So if they don't know how to design, you can see that you can get or make a lot of money on Fiverr by making YouTube thumbnails, intros, outros, and many things like that. So we are going to the third way to make money on Fiverr, with Canva, and that is to create logo designs. So this is the most and high paying job that you can get by making logos, because some companies are starting and they are looking for a person to hire and make for them those logos. So you can start making logos, because on Canva there are free logos, free templates of logos. You can go and make some changes on them, or you download them as they are and you sell them to those companies. Even for YouTube, there are people who are using YouTube and they would like to use logo as a sign of their YouTube channel. There are many people on Fiverr looking for people to make for them logos, industries, companies, those people also who are looking for logos. So you can make them with Canva as easy as you can, and you don't have even to be specialized in any software like Adobe or anything. Making logos is very easy with Canva, because there are some templates there. You can go and make some designs and changes on them, just little changes, and you start making those free logos. So I'm going to be showing you in Canva how you can make them, or how to get them, those free logos, and also show you on Fiverr many people who are looking for people to hire for that logo making job, and also how much money some people on Fiverr who are selling logos are getting. So let me jump right away to my computer and show you how.
And Canva has many awesome logos that you can publish on Fiverr and gain a lot of money. And here you can choose whatever or which one that you want according to the color, to the theme. So all of them you can search there in the search bar and you get the one that you want. So you can categorize also them into many categories. Maybe if you want a company, a personal, you can get. So these logos are very nice. You can price them as you want, because there are many free templates that you can use. And jumping to Fiverr, there are many also logos as you have seen them in Canva. They are even better than these ones that you have seen here. What you have to do is just make for those people high quality logos. You make some changes on them and then they become the best, and then you compete with these people also who are making logos, and you are going to get more clients. So you can see they are charging over $500, $30, $1,000, because logos are most paid for, because these logos, people want those professional logos for maybe their companies. So you have to make something professional. You can see this one is offering $1,500 for that type of logo, and they are very easy to make if you have Canva. So you can use Canva to do all that.
Hope you have seen that many people are making good looking logos on Fiverr and are making money. So if you're not specialized in any software like Adobe and other softwares that people use to make logos, you can go and start with Canva, because it gives you free templates to make. So I'm going to be showing you the fourth and the last way to make money with Fiverr, and that is to create online video ads. So creating online video ads is the most powerful way that most companies, industries, or factory use to advertise their products or goods to more people worldwide. So you can make many categories of video ads like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, many kind of ads that you can make. So I'm going to be showing you on Fiverr how people are getting money by making those video ads, and how much money are charging for them, because they are high quality, and also show you on Canva how to get those designs or those video ads. So let us first dive in Canva and show you, and later go to Fiverr.
So on Canva, there are many categories of video ads that you can get there. You can categorize them in many kinds, whether YouTube ads, Instagram ads, Facebook ads, Twitter ads, any kind of ad that you want. So there are very many, over 12,882 free templates. So there are very many. You can just categorize them. For example, let us go and check for Instagram posts for video ads. So you're going to see for Instagram. Yeah, so those are some examples for Instagram video ads. You can make some changes on them and then you offer them to Fiverr, and there are over 1,555 free templates. So those are a lot of video ads. Also Facebook, there are over 2,472 free templates that you can make. So those are for free. You can choose them and then go and make some editings to them, because on Canva you can choose it and make some editings on it. So you can make some size that you want, you categorize its size, everything. But these video ads, they are already in their right pixels. You can just go and post them to Fiverr. So going to Fiverr, you can see there are many people making online video ads like YouTube ads, Facebook ads, and they are gaining over $30, $3,500. That one is offering a creative professional video ads, and that one also is gaining $10, $5, any kind. According to what you have made, you're going to get more clients to buy your video ads. So make sure they are of the high quality for you to get more people to get your video ads. So you can see that one is making $35, $60, $500. So you can make a lot of video ads and get paid for.
So you can see that you can make those video ads or video adverts and start making money, or a lot of money, with Fiverr. So it's very nice that you can first specialize in which type of template designs to first make and start with that. Or if it's possible, you can make all of them and start making money with Fiverr. And it takes like few days to start getting some clients to buy your designs. It's not like overnight and you start making money right away, because there are some competitors to compete with and get those clients. But what you need to know and start making money fast is to make high quality of templates of anything that you make on Fiverr. So that was all in this video that I shared with you, and hope this video helped a lot. If it has, please, I insist you, please hit that subscribe button, enable the notification button, and smash that bell button if you would like to be watching all my videos that I post on YouTube, or you can be the first person to watch my videos whenever I upload them. So if you have any question about how to make money on Fiverr with Canva, please drop that question in the comment section below. I'll be glad to answer that question. And remember to check the video link in the description of this video if you would like to learn how to start making designs and templates in Canva. All that you want to know with Canva, you check it in the video description of this video. There is a link there to teach you how to make those designs in Canva, because it's a full tutorial for beginners who would like to know how to use Canva. So hope to meet you in the next video that I'll upload next time.